No, you have to play nicely. We can take a bath in a little bit. That sounds like a good idea. Someone loves the new hat. You can take your shirt off. Let me see. You got a belly button? Hey, cowgirl. You went pee-pee? Okay. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, maybe you should take your socks off first. Good job. Thank you. Hi. What about you? What are you doing? You taking off your socks too? Okay, let me see you take off your shirt. Do your hands first. All right, let's keep this G-rated. Nice belly.